Hi everyone, I am Dr. Lakshminarayana Thanduri, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. With over 14 years of experience in teaching and academic leadership, it gives me great pleasure to share a few words about our department. In our department, we are committed to delivering quality education and fostering innovation in the ever-evolving field of electronics and communication. Our department is accredited by NAAC and NBA, which reflects our dedication to maintaining high academic standards and continuous improvement. We have a team of highly experienced and dedicated faculty members who focus not only on strong theoretical foundation but also on practical learning. Our well-equipped laboratories and emphasis on research and industry interaction help students gain real-world exposure. We strive to nurture our students with strong technical knowledge, hands-on skills, and ethical values so that they are well prepared to meet the challenges of modern technological world. Thank you.